In this video, I want to show you how to set map units in MapInfo. So let me open MapInfo. In MapInfo, setting the map unit is very important for smooth running of your analysis and also for effective and seamless calculation in MapInfo. So when you launch MapInfo, whether you have brought in data or not, to set the map units, come under Map tab. Once you are under Map tab, come to Map Options. Click on it. It will open the Map Options page. Then here, under Map Units, the coordinate unit, set it as degrees. Then the distance units. If you click on the drop down, you see different units for measuring distance. You can see kilometer, inches, feet, yard, and so on. So if you want it in meters, centimeter, or millimeter, select it. For example, I prefer it to be in kilometer. I choose kilometer. Then the area units, the unit you want your area calculation to be measured. So if you click on the drop down, you see different units for measuring areas. You can see square feet, square yard, square meter, hectares, square kilometers. So depending on you. So I prefer it to be in square kilometer. So I'll choose square kilometer. After choosing your units like this, click on OK to apply it. Once you do that, you have successfully set the map unit in MapInfo. So if this tutorial is helpful, kindly join our channel membership and share this video. Thank you for watching.